Loop Technologies' RoboMACH provides highly accurate robotic machining, offering a cost-effective alternative to a large-capacity machine tool, but with much greater flexibility in the working envelope and versatility in applications. Here you can see it machining a tooling block with precision and speed. RoboMACH is a compelling choice for customers looking to automate their machining process, including for large and complex components. It is available in different configurations and robot selections, delivering highly accurate automated cutting, trimming, milling, drilling, grinding, and ultrasonic machining operations to the workpiece. Applications include shaping and refining cured carbon fiber, aerospace and automotive panels, as well as wood structures such as beams or frames, plastic components, engineering foam, and aluminium sheets. RoboMACH ikCAM incorporates Loop Technologies' proprietary software solution to bring our customers up to a 10 times increase in precision when compared to a standard robotic system through as-built kinematic correction. Traditionally, to achieve this level of accuracy would mean a substantial investment, but ikCAM provides the same level of precision for a fraction of the price. It is controller agnostic and can be retrofitted to an existing machining cell.